Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha'skitchen Kitchen, and today we are going to cook spicy noodles at home. So to boil the noodles, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and then I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, then lemon juice squeezed from 2 lemons, and I added water so that I can drown these noodles into it, and I boiled it on a high flame. And you just need to check if it is boiled of about 90%, and then drain the water out of it, okay, and separate it from the water. Now I'm adding this chilled water. I'm just pouring this chilled water upon that so that it will instantly cool and don't stick, okay. So now we are going to prepare the Schezwan noodles here. So after boiling the oil, add the cabbage and carrot, chopped cabbage and carrot, toss it, and I suggest you to add little bit of pepper powder. That gives nice spicy flavor. So here I added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and slowly toss it. And still I'm cooking them on high flame, and in between I'm reducing the flame so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. That doesn't really give you nice taste if it burns. So I added green chili, finely chopped green chilies along with this, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and put it on a high flame again, and toss them carefully, mix it well. And if you like the raw taste of cabbage and carrot, you don't have to cook much, right? And this is the Schezwan masala mixture that I have added. That is why I'm not adding salt to this, because you already have salt mixed in it. Now take the noodles and mix it with this mixture. And now these noodles will not stick together because we used this technique of pouring chilled water once we boiled, and already we boiled these noodles along with little bit of oil and lemon juice, so they don't really stick to each other, so don't worry. But you will have these noodles such long, and it's really hard to toss them or mix them with the mixture which we have prepared. So if you want, you can cut them in between. And see, I'm trying to toss it as much as possible, but don't keep the high flame here, it might get burnt. Now these chopped coriander I have added, and if you want you can add more as well. But look at the color, how beautiful it is. You have orange color with carrots, green, reddish. And take these noodles on a plate and serve and eat hot. See you next time.